In Canada, the #1 natural cause for loss or damage to property is water and flood related. And many people find out the hard way that somewhere in the fine print in their insurance policy that they're not covered. Remember, insurance companies base their coverage on where the water came from. Most standard home policies will cover water or flood damage from accidental things like a broken dishwasher or a burst pipe. But if the water came from outside, like when the snow melts and the rain come, it's not covered unless you have something called overland protection. Now, if the water comes in through your sewer and drainage system, sort of backwards, if you will, that won't be covered either unless you have the coverage. When your insurance documents come in every year, don't just throw them in a drawer. Go through them, and if the fine print's kind of mumbo jumbo, go over it with your broker. Make sure there are not errors or omissions, or if anything's changed since you first got your policy, like you finished your basement, you may want to upgrade that policy too. And speaking of basements, some insurance companies have actually limited basement coverage to only $15,000 unless you pay extra. The cost, well, it will depend on the flood risk of where your home is. Go from fairly affordable to really kind of expensive.